Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Hades 2 without errors. I'll show you guys how to do it. First, this is the update list. As you can see, you can either update one of these because it is mentioned as or. So I have the first update. As you can see, go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select Manage Settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select Yes. After turning off, right click on the update and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder, double click on the application, select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select OK option, select next option and select the browse option and you just need to select the game folder guys. In my case I saved in Cira, here it is. Select the Hades 2 game folder and select next option and this will ask already exits. Select the yes option and select next and select install option, and after this get done select the finish option and now open the game through the desktop shortcut. So the game is updated guys, as you can see the version 641 it's updated. 641 we updated to. Now you just need to turn on the antivirus and then just to close stuff here, and don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.